Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to fix Instagram notification not showing up. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is check that your notifications are toggled on both in the app and on the phone. So let's go to Instagram app and go to the bottom right hand corner where your profile picture is. Now click on the three lines in the upper right hand corner. Press settings. And from here, click notifications. And in notifications, you'll want to make sure post all is toggled off. And then we can go down to the middle of the page and click messages. Just to make sure that everything is clicked on. So message requests, message, group requests, and video chats are toggled on. Now we can go to settings. And then go to notifications and control. Go to app notifications and search for Instagram. Make sure it is toggled on. Now, if turning on your notifications didn't work, the next thing we can do is look for an update for the app. So let's go to the Play Store and type Instagram. Now, to the right of Instagram, if it says open, that means your app is fully up to date. If it says update, that means you're in need of an update. And we update our apps to get rid of any bugs or logs that the last update may have had. So go ahead and update your app. If updating your app does not work, then next thing we could do is offload the app. So let's go to the settings. Then go to apps. After that, let's go to manage apps. Then we're going to search Instagram. Go to storage and on the lower part, clear data. And then clear cache. What this does is sort of resetting it for you. You can also uninstall and reinstall. So you have successfully uploaded the app. I hope that it helps, and that's how to fix Instagram notifications not showing up. If you have questions about this tutorial, please leave them in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe and like.